Step 1. Reflect on your current self. Before you decide who you want to become, it's essential to understand who you are right now. Take a few minutes to answer these questions honestly. Writing your thoughts down can help make this process clearer and more concrete. Reflection. Questions. What habits currently serve me well? What are some habits that hold me back? What do I appreciate about myself? Are there thought patterns or beliefs that limit me? Allow yourself time to get in touch with these answers, and remember that awareness is the first step toward growth. Step 2. Define your new self. Now that you've identified where you are, think about where you want to be. Imagine the best version of yourself, someone who aligns closely with your deepest values, goals, and aspirations. Visualization. Exercise. Close your eyes and visualize yourself 6 months or a year from now as this new version. Imagine how they carry themselves, how they speak, and what they value. Picture this vision as vividly as possible to strengthen your commitment. Questions to guide your vision. What specific qualities does this new self embody? What new habits does this version of me practice regularly? How does this new self approach challenges? What beliefs does this version hold about themselves? Write down your thoughts so you have a clear picture of the new self you're working towards. Step 3. Set clear, achievable goals. The journey from where you are now to where you want to be begins with setting clear, realistic goals. Start by identifying small, actionable steps that you can incorporate into your daily life to support this new version of yourself. Goal setting. Prompts. What new daily habit could bring me closer to this new version of myself? Are there any specific skills or knowledge I need to develop? What would I need to do weekly or monthly to embody this new version? Write down 3 to 5 goals that align with the qualities and values of your ideal self. Make them actionable and include deadlines to help keep yourself accountable. Step 4. Create daily and weekly routines. Consistency is key to becoming this new version of yourself. Building routines that align with your goals can help make these changes sustainable and natural. Routine. Suggestions. Morning routine. Start with a small action that aligns with one of your goals. This could be journaling, exercise, or setting a daily intention. Weekly check-in. At the end of each week, review your progress. Reflect on what went well, what you can improve, and any adjustments you need to make to your goals or routines. This structure will keep you moving forward without feeling overwhelmed. Remember, progress is about small, steady steps. Step 5. Track your progress and adjust as needed. Transformation isn't always a straight path. It's essential to regularly assess your progress, celebrate your wins, and make adjustments when necessary. Reflection. Prompts for tracking progress. What small wins have I achieved this week? Am I consistently practicing the habits I set out to build? Are there any obstacles that keep coming up, and how can I address them? Do I need to adjust my goals or routines based on my current progress? Tracking your journey helps you stay motivated and gives you a record of how far you've come, which can be invaluable on days when progress feels slow. Step 6. Embrace the journey. Change is a continuous journey rather than a destination. Remember,